Let's compare Airbnb rental arbitrage and value investing. So first off, Airbnb arbitrage, potentially you can make a lot of money with this if you can convince, enough landlords to allow you to do it. It's scalable. You can expand with multiple properties under one management system. It's flexible. You can adjust your prices dynamically based on demand and earnings. The cons, regulatory risks, changes in local laws. There's quite a lot of anger against Airbnb impacting renters, things like that. You need to work hard to manage your short-term rental, unless you're like me and you set up a staff, which I've done, so I don't have to do so much. It's kind of on automatic. Can be volatile. You can't always rely on Airbnb income. Pandemics can happen. Disasters can happen. That can all affect your rental. So those are some of the cons. The pros of value investing: it's low risk, long-term stability. If you're investing in value, the volatility is lower. So I'm talking about investing in companies, basically, right? Stocks. So you invest in undervalued companies. This is basically Warren Buffett's strategy, value investing. He invests in a few really good companies. Over time, investments can appreciate in value, providing significant returns. It's passive income. You don't have to do very much. Take a look at it sometimes, make sure it's going okay. Airbnb is a lot more intensive. Even if you set up a staff, you're going to be checking for messages each day and things like that. The bad news about value investing: the growth is slow. It's kind of a very long-term strategy, so it takes time. You can make mistakes. You can pick the wrong stocks. It relies on the market correcting its undervaluation if you make a mistake. So the stock may not do as well as you anticipated. You've got to do a lot of research to make sure you know what you're doing, or you've got to trust your stock advisors. So each strategy has pros and cons. You need to decide which is best for you. I had a couple of properties that were available to me in a great location, so I chose Airbnb, but I also do value investing as well. So see what's right for you and then decide. You can always do both.